Okay, so we are now in a new episode of our lives, and we have to have. Oh, we are
Going to
going to
make
um
a promise.
make a video or promise or message to ourselves, to our future selves.
Patakam ko.
Yes, we have to message ourselves.
We need to make.
We,
We will maybe.
we will make a message to our future selves in the future. And ano ko sabot?
We are going to capture some moments of these, some moments like these, for us to remember what are we
Okay,
doing right now.
let's just continue this vlog. So
By the way, who's first?
we are.
Who's first?
Let's just clear
Objectives.
our content of this video. So right now we are here to share to you our message to our future self.
Yes.
So
Maybe 10 years from now or 15. Maybe
yeah.
the future self of us.
So to our future self, we need to
Yes, you need to
give our
show
message
yourself.
to have an motivation to
Yeah.
make those promises that we will give in our speaking while we are doing this video. So we will start from our very old friend. So we have here our very old friend, Mr. What's your name again, brother?
GB.
Okay, so
Definitely, when 2025 has already come, I have to decide myself. I have to focus myself. I build myself better, and also achieve your goal. You have to make yourself more consistent about studying, and also more consistent about better improvement to yourself, and also in addition, you have to conquer your fear, because fear is a hindrance to achieve your goal, and your goal is a stepping stone to achieve your dream. Thank you.
okay, so that's her uh, his answer message our content for day. So next is me. So of course my message to my future self is just don't do some hustle or very hard work, because you need to work smarter than harder, because all of the things will be came through when a you have the courage to work those things up, and your courage will help you to enhance yourself, enhance your eager to achieve those goals, and of course you need to have a center of God of your wants in the future. Thank you.
Okay, I'm next. Hi, Vince from the future. By the way, I am currently having fun with these guys. I'm so grateful that we are able to gather here and have some drink, have some bond with each other, and sharing laughter to each other. By the way, my message to you is that you don't have to worry about the future. Just have to be focused on the present. You need to um, encourage yourself that everything happens for a reason. Yes, everything happens for a reason. You have puta sige you have eh? Yes. You are accountable of your actions. So um, always think that you are the key for your success, and don't forget your friends, your relatives, your family, your special friend here. To those who don't are to those person who make you feel happy, please cherish them, and as they make your life better, as they make your life a better person, don't forget them as they
subscribe.
as they support you to your journey that help you become strong and build different from each other. I love you and I love you guys.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Walang iya pa na mo di nun.
Ikaw.
Post na.
Hello everyone. I'm Ethel.
Wow.
Message for the future. When things won't go along the way we want, just don't be hard to yourself. Trust the process. Or will be already in time.
Yes.
Totoo, natulog na yung bibilang.
Dapat sila ron.
Always think that finish Tanduay before it's too late.
Iya na ba? Kasama na ko iya no.
Ito nga, Garner.
Ganda yun.
Pwede ka mainam.
Kasama ng bata gid. Ano ba mamatay sa
Pero ito, malipain kung na
Kato na ko di mo.
It's not about the Tanduay rum, but it's all
Ikaw.
about the
Bye.
band.
I'm very true to
Abot
what
ko, Jib.
I message sa video. Na i-cherish ang every moment na naamo. Ang moment na
Kapit silbay, abo na lang.
ang moment na nagkayuso ta. Even despite sa mga
Unity.
mga
Yan na,
problems,
yan na.
mga
Yan na.
hindrances.
Yan. Ako?
Hindi mo na.
Uy, yo, kasi lang last, ya ang last oh.
Di mana, pre?
Siya may last.
Pungkap na. Hindi na.
Iwan na.
Halik, Queen.
Eh, iriwan ni video kay. Siya ang last ni inom ko eh.
Sige mo kaya video sa to, ah.
Iwan.
Kung sa nabutan na. Hi, Queen.
Hi guys, so
Asa, natin message ka, Queen.
Ano ko? Hello, top ka di kaya ako na po.
lalagatan ka.
Wala ko tabi ana.
Okay, so enough na. Okay, so enough na. So, hi guys. So,
This is Queenie,
this is our princess.
the house
Si house owner.
owner.
Patay ta ni biro pe.
So,
Sorry, bye.
okay, so actually guys, we have a lot of female friends, but Queenie is just still here to
Patay kita.
abide us while we are doing this time together with each other. So she is also a got your
Part of the group.
what's your
Bachelor of Science and Criminology, major in Criminology.
Medyo.
so what's your name again?
My name is Queenie Perez.
Yeah. Little voice, you need to make it loud.
I already know you.
Can you make it loud? Can you make it
Audible
loud?
to
Again.
to ours.
Again, you have yourself. Make it loud.
Yes, you don't have to.
Oh shit!
Wait. Queenie will introduce herself.
Nakin ni tatel dito. Para matay
Introduce yourself.
Nakita highway para maputot
Ha?
ako. Dikatit daw.
Ako na.
Ay sa ito. Nyama sa ito pre.
Hindi ka dir.
Sa ito pre. Nyama. Gara-gara. Nyama. Mama ni pwede mo tala. Okay, yaga ko pre. Okay. Sige tagwa na sa ito.
By the way, our friend Queenie is
Talon.
just shy.
Mantay bayan mo to.
She's just
Jib, imo na
shy.
Jib.
Mantay magtahi pa yung mapa.
Sorry, Jib.
Actually, guys, we are just solid friends from our high school life. Started on our senior high life from grade 11 until now. We are second year college, but still we are just gathering in our spot. Like, especially, mas daghan gather dito sa Mahayag ba?
Mahig is a special place
Mahayag
to
is a
our reunion. Maybe mag-reunion to dili gyapon sa sa Mahayag kay we have a friend nga taga Mahayag which is nasa Davao karon. Nagiuna ang laag sa Davao kaysa sa ato.
Sure.
May papud yung parents kay
Wait, ako bago.
English.
Yeah.
oh,
English.
Her parents
her parents are
Her parents
more
welcome us.
welcome. Oh yeah, her parents accommodated us.
Very
to-
well.
Yes, they provided a food for us. They even
Ayo,
give us a warm welcome. Like we haven't experienced to other
Her,
It seems like we are her
yes, we are
biological.
not
Biological.
not like
by your
biology.
children,
Yes.
like her parents like welcome us like we are their own child,
Yes.
like their
They treated us like their own biological
yeah
children. Like
They
it's so heartwarming. Like
they feel they
They-
feel us like
Crush mo na mo si Bigil. It's ba?
shut up, bitch.
ay
It's
dadigyan
already
ka
recorded.
Yes,
ka
But it's okay,
yes
share
ka
it,
you said just
let
you are
me
you are
let me yo
She's
you
aware with
are
that.
you
Let-
are
let
No worries, no worries.
you already questioned about that and then you
yeah. Let me
Importante siya. Ay,
Let me explain.
myself. I have crush on Abigail, but not to the extent that I wanted to have a relationship that is so intimate.
Why?
Because I love our friendship.
You pressure
I love you guys. I treasure our friendship. Friendship is better than just a temporary relationship.
Wow.
Yes, I treasure those memories than this temporary. Wow! Wow! Yes, I treasure those friendship than those temporary relationships. Like- Kasi Jibe.
Kasi Jibe.
Siguro tulog na siya.
Ha?
Tulog na.
Si?
Hindi siguro.
Nagbubuta mo daw to si Taya.
Tikasan ko to, natulog na to. Umana na ba?
Ito boy, ano mo? Ay, actually, i-off sa ba?
Sige,